another rebuild. If you watch my tour video, you'll know that I have a fair few sets that are already built that I haven't done unboxings or build videos of already. So I'm gonna work my way through rebuilding them. Why not? I'm switching from the Harry Potter franchise, which I've pretty much done everything that I have already. I think the only one I haven't done is Hedwig, but she's a very big build, so I'm scared to pull her apart. So I'm switching over to the Star Wars franchise. I've got 6 helmets. There were 3 at the start of the series that I did miss out on, and now they're like crazy expensive to buy. So maybe one day, but definitely not any day soon. So I'm going to start here with Mando. Mando is, I think it was 554 pieces, and it's an 18 plus build. So we've got some technical bits in it, but really not a lot for an 18 plus build. And it does retail for $99.99, but as of like right now on the website, on the Lego website, you can't buy it. It's temporarily out of stock. So I don't know if it's going towards being discontinued or retired, as they say, or whether they just are literally out of stock. But they are pretty cool. They look wicked altogether. So if you haven't watched the tour video, jump on over and watch that now. And I'm going to jump in and do the build, so I'll be right back with the finished product. is all done. Couple of little hiccups, misstuds. What do you want to call a Lego building error? I just put a few pieces, one stud too far over, mostly the top bit. You did see me pull it apart there at the end because I did end up with a couple of leftover snot bricks, which this was a complete build sitting on the shelf in the cabinet, so I don't know where those snot bricks came from, but it's together and nothing feels wobbly. Nothing feels wobbly except for that bit, that exact bit. And I took a few bits off to have a look, and I can't really see where those snot bricks might have come from. So I'm just going to put them into my spare bricks box. Alright, took me about an hour and 10 to build it. So not very long at all. It is, like I said, only 550 odd pieces. It's not a huge build. I do like how they've managed to get the curvature of the helmet. Honestly, this is actually the first time I've built this. I didn't build it originally. So it was kind of cool to do something that isn't really a rebuild, but it is a rebuild. That makes sense. I do like how they've kind of really got the Mando helmet. Go in here. There's a picture. Put you down. Hold you up. Of the helmet there from the TV series. So I think it looks pretty good. I like the little shiny bricks at the top. There is just that little bit in the front of the book about Mando. I'm not going to read it out. You can download the instruction manual. I think the little bits in the fronts are in the instruction manuals if you wanted to have a look on the Lego website. Other than that though, pretty straightforward build. Nothing overly technical, no real fancy bits, no nice part usage. 5 out of 10. Sorry. Suspect most of the helmets are going to be the same. Some of them just might score more because I like the characters better. Little nameplate at the front there too. Excellent. All right. Thanks for watching and happy building.